Hey guys, another video from Fast Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to upgrade your hard drive on a PS4 Slim. This is a PS4 Slim model and it is a CUH 2015A. This also applies to 2016A and also will work for PS4 Pros, but the consoles are slightly different. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to upgrade the hard drive, because the regular size hard drive on these is usually a 500 gig for the base model, and that runs out very quickly. So yeah, let's start. So here's the PS4 that we're working on today, and so to access the hard drive, you'd want to look at the back. And there is a plastic piece here that you can just release by pulling on it, and it comes out like so, just like that, nice and easy. Once you've gotten that removed, you're gonna see a Phillips size screw at the back with the PlayStation symbols on it, the X, the square, the circle, and the triangle. We're going to remove this screw to remove the hard drive, like so. Okay, and then we're gonna use this band on the top of the hard drive here, and then we're just gonna lift the hard drive out like so. So that's the original hard drive in here, and it is in an enclosure, and we're going to take the hard drive out of the enclosure, and we have to remove these 4 screws on the side here to do that. So we're going to be removing these screws like so. Going to remove the old hard drive, and that's the old hard drive here. It's a Toshiba 500 gigabytes, and we're going to be replacing it with this, which is a Toshiba 1 terabyte. And so we do that by we're gonna put the new hard drive in the enclosure like so. I'm gonna make sure this lines up properly, and then we're gonna put the Phillips screws back in. And now we're going to, now that we have all the screws in, we're going to put the hard drive in. You just got to put it in. You want to make sure, obviously, that the connectors line up, so you can look inside and make sure that the power for SATA and the data connector for the SATA port is in the right place. And then you can just push the hard drive in like so, tighten, and the plastic trim piece goes back on. Okay, the next step would be now we'd have to install the software update on it, or the software, the firmware on it, because this hard drive doesn't have the PlayStation 4 software loaded on it already. So I'm going to be showing you that in the next step. Once we've installed the hard drive, we're going to plug the console in. We're going to plug it in on our TV, turn it on, and then it's going to take us to this screen, which it's going to show in a few seconds, where it's going to ask us to install the system software update. It's going to say it can't start, and it's going to require a system software update. And I'm going to be adding the instructions in the video description, and I'm going to put a link to Sony's website where you can download the update and put it on a USB stick. You're going to download the update, put it on a USB stick, plug it in the console, and make sure your controller is plugged in with a USB cable. Then you're going to press the PS button, this button right here, and then it's going to take you to this screen, and it's going to say connect the USB storage device, which is where you're going to put the storage, the software update on a USB stick, and then you're going to press OK. You're going to plug the USB stick in your PS4, press OK, and then it's going to start looking for the update. And then we're basically just going to press yes. It's going to install the update. The console is going to restart, and you're basically done. So I'm just going to show you guys the next screen, and then it's going to start the initialization process. And then we're pretty much done at that point, and then after that all we have to do is play the console. And in my case, I'm returning it to the customer. There you go. Okay, so now it's going to say PS4 will be initialized, all data will be deleted. There's nothing on this hard drive anyway, so we're just going to press yes. And now it's initializing. It's going to do this, and it's going to restart, and then it's going to take you to another screen where it's going to install the software. And basically that's all there's to it. It's going to restart, and the rest of it's going to be done by the PlayStation 4. You don't have to worry about anything. Now it's just the software is going to take it from here, and we don't have to do anything else. So there you have it, guys. Another video from Fast Tech. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video if you like it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. So it did the update, and now it looks like it's ready. Now we basically just have to set it up. English, United States. Next, it's going to ask you to set up your Wi-Fi. And once you've done all that, you should be good to go. We're not going to set up the Wi-Fi right now. Set up later. Skip. US, Canada. Next. Next. There it is. So looks like it works. We have a new hard drive in it. Again, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Helps us out a lot. Thank you.